Our car broke down in the middle of nowhere. Our car broke down in the middle of nowhere. Jenny put her bag down and went upstairs. Jenny put her bag down and went upstairs. At the moment, we're waiting for the bus. At the moment, we're waiting for the bus. She used scissors to cut of her shirt. She used scissors to cut of her shirt. I think we've done enough. Let's call it a day. I think we've done enough. Let's call it a day. Sarah left her homework at home on purpose so she wouldn't have to do it. Sarah left her homework at home on purpose so she wouldn't have to do it. She spilled the milk on purpose to get attention. She spilled the milk on purpose to get attention. She's married to a dentist. She's married to a dentist. The best things in life are yet to come. The best things in life are yet to come. I can't take my eyes off of you. I can't take my eyes off of you. I love the way you look today. I love the way you look today. You have looks to die for. You have looks to die for. I have a secret, but I'm going to keep it under wraps for now. I have a secret, but I'm going to keep it under wraps for now. I owe you an apology. I owe you an apology. Sue and Tim broke up last year. Sue and Tim broke up last year. The match was called off because of the bad weather. The match was called off because of the bad weather. She carried on watching the TV. She carried on watching the TV. We couldn't figure her out. We couldn't figure her out. The employees asked for a raise. The employees asked for a raise. Let's invite them over for a dinner. Let's invite them over for a dinner. He's too shy to ask her out. He's too shy to ask her out. When we gave her the bad news, she broke down and cried. When we gave her the bad news, she broke down and cried. You're beyond gorgeous. You're beyond gorgeous. He's made yet another mistake. He's made yet another mistake. We haven't met yet. We haven't met yet. He's cool enough, yet I don't like him. He's cool enough, yet I don't like him. It's something I'm keen on. It's something I'm keen on. I have a preference for it. I have a preference for it. What's making you anxious? What's making you anxious? Button your lips. Button your lips. I'm in a tight spot financially. I'm in a tight spot financially. The project costs went out of hand. The project costs went out of hand. I wish I could travel around the world. I wish I could travel around the world. It is of utmost importance. It is of utmost importance. Keep an eye on my pet, please. Keep an eye on my pet, please. I don't have anything specific in mind. I don't have anything specific in mind. I misunderstood the situation. I misunderstood the situation. I need a little more time. I need a little more time. I'll be with you shortly. I'll be with you shortly. Could you assist me with something? Could you assist me with something? I have a grasp of. I have a grasp of. It's a formidable task. It's a formidable task. I'm full. I can't eat anymore. I'm full. I can't eat anymore. He always puts salt on his food. He always puts salt on his food. I'm in a good shape now. I'm in a good shape now. They're both in their late 50s. They're both in their late 50s. I'm not engaged in anything. I'm not engaged in anything. The rain is coming down hard. The rain is coming down hard. We're cutting it close. Let's move quickly. We're cutting it close. Let's move quickly. What can I get for you? What can I get for you? I'm going to doze off. I'm going to doze off. I have a stuffy nose. I have a stuffy nose. Please subscribe and see you soon.